Why is cultivating native species challenging for coastal habitats? Imagine trying to grow a garden on shifting sands where the ground is constantly changing. That's what restoring native plants in coastal areas can feel like. These environments are very delicate and always changing, which makes planting native species tricky. Coastal soils are often sandy and have very few nutrients. They are also easy to wash away or become compacted from heavy equipment or natural events like storms. When the soil gets compacted, roots struggle to grow and plants can't establish themselves well. Salt water from tides or storm surges can seep into the soil, raising salinity levels. Many native plants are sensitive to salt, so high salinity can kill them or prevent them from growing properly. Rising sea levels also cause problems. As water levels go up, marshes and other coastal habitats get squeezed between the ocean and human-built structures. This limits space for native plants to move or expand, making it harder for them to survive long-term. Invasive species add another challenge. These plants grow faster and outcompete native ones for space, nutrients, and sunlight. Since they often lack natural predators in these areas, they spread quickly and take over habitats. This reduces biodiversity and weakens the whole ecosystem. Finding enough native plant seeds or young plants for restoration is also difficult. There are limited sources, and growing native plants can be costly and time-consuming. It can take several years to grow healthy native plants from seed, and the process requires careful selection of species suited to local conditions. Native plants have specific needs, like tolerating salt or working with local pollinators and microorganisms. Restoring these habitats requires choosing the right species and sometimes even breeding plants that are more resistant to environmental stresses. Techniques like adding sediment to raise marsh levels or creating living shorelines help protect against erosion and support native plants. Timing is also important. Planting during seasons with less stress from weather or temperature helps improve success rates. When native plants don't establish well, it affects marine life too. Many fish, shellfish, and birds depend on native coastal vegetation for shelter, food, and nursery grounds. If these plants are replaced by invasive species or fail to grow, the entire food web can be disrupted. This can lead to fewer fish and less habitat for sea animals. So, restoring native species in coastal habitats is a complex task. It involves overcoming soil challenges, salinity issues, invasive competition, limited plant sources, and the need for careful planning. When done right, it helps rebuild healthy ecosystems that support marine life and protect coastlines from erosion and flooding.